While the Philippine National Police is confronted by various criticism over the deteriorating peace and order situation, the police institution is again on the hot seat when two members of the mobile Quezon City Police allegedly have engaged in an extortion activity. Their victim, son of incoming NCR Police Office Director, Police Chief Superintendent Leonardo Espina. The suspects, a certain SPO4 Jose de la Peña and PO2 Resty del Rosario of the QC Mobile Patrol Unit, who allegedly demanded 20,000 pesos from Espina's son.
Now, paghinto niyang ganon, dun sa may Chinese school dito sa Mehema B, ay in-approach ni SPO4 de la Peña. At sinasabi, bawal daw yung ginagawa niya. Phone sex daw yun. Sabi ng police, ang violation na yan, 20,000 pesos. Kung magbabayad ka, bukod pa sa kahiyahiyan, may lalabas ka sa press, etc. etc. Alam niyo na, lahat ng ginawang trump-up charges. Hindi tuloy malaman ng bata kung anong gagawin niya. Sumampa yung pulis, siya ang nagmaneho ng sasakyan ng anak ko. Siya ang nagmaneho. Okay. Nandun sa passenger seat yung anak ko. And sabi ng anak ko, wala naman po akong pera. Kasi ang baon naman ng anak ko ay lingguhan. Wala naman po akong pera, ano, babayad ko sa inyo. Hindi niya pati maintindihan kung ano sasabihin. Hanggang sa binaba ng binaba ni De La Peña, yung hanggang naging 5,000. Mabot sila dyan sa gate 2 upang mag-withdraw sa ATM. Doon na po naisip ng anak ko na tumawag sa akin.
De La Peña and Del Rosario have been disarmed already as their badges were confiscated immediately. The QCPD leadership has given the two policemen until 9 o'clock tonight to appear before their office or else face another possible charges. It was also discovered that this was not the first time that SPO4 De La Peña got engaged in this extortion activity.
Of course, i-record namin sila absent without official leave. Awol.
Si SPO4 De La Peña may previous cases.
Anong kaso, sir?
Extortion din.
General Espina's son is now in trauma as he vowed to do all they can to expel SPO4 De La Peña and PO2 Del Rosario from the police service.
Gagawin namin lahat upang ma-dismiss ito. At yung mga anak ko, alam nila na this may be a blessing to these guys na alam nila na dapat tanggalin ang mga ganitong klaseng pulis. So they'll do everything.
For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.